Toasting has never been easier with the KitchenAid 2 and 4 slice toasters. Set the toaster to defrost, reheat, or keep toast warm. Extra wide slots toast thick slices of bread to perfection. Bagels are gently warmed on the outside, browned on the inside. Raise and lower breads at a touch of a button. Easily read the sleek digital display with countdown bars and settings. Toast lifts high for convenient access. Premium performance, exceptional results. Legendary KitchenAid quality.
I have here the KitchenAid 2-slot toaster. It's an all-metal construction which makes it extremely durable and also stylish. It has a digital display which displays the shade setting, the function chosen, and also the progress bar shows the countdown time to the toast. Apart from that, it has a removable crumb tray at the base for easy cleaning. If you see, it has extra wide slots, so you can easily toast thick slices of bread that you cut out of loaves. Let's start with defrosting. I have frozen waffles over here. Place your waffles in the slot. Select the shade that you'd like it to be toasted. Select the defrost function and the one-touch motorized button. As you saw, it automatically lowers it and keeps it in place while it toasts. You can now see the LED display shows bars to the countdown for it to be done. Once the waffles are done, it automatically beeps and raises the waffles up. We can now have these crisp waffles with some maple syrup. Let's move on to our crumpet or bagel function. I have here a bagel. What's great with the toaster is the extra wide slots, so even thick breads like bagel can fit easily as the slots are about 3.8 centimeters wide. We place them in. What is good about the crumpet or bagel function is it keeps the bagel warm on the outside and toasts the inside. So again, we will select the shade that we desire. Select the crumpet or bagel function and select the toast button. You can see how the bagel is nice and toasted on the insides and the outsides are just warm. You can serve the bagel with just cream cheese or use it to make a sandwich. Let's move on to toasting some bread. Place the bread, select the shade you desire, and press the toast button. You could cancel the toasting at any point by that one single button. Here we have our evenly toasted bread, which you can load up with some butter or smear some jam. In case you've forgotten about your bagel and it's cooled down and you're ready to eat it now, you could easily reheat it using the reheat function. Place the bagel back. Select the reheat function and toast. So ideally the reheat function will not color it further but just make it warm again. There we have a warmed up bagel again. To clean the toaster, There's a crumb tray that can be pushed out and emptied out easily. When the toaster is not in use, the cord can be easily wrapped on the base and stored away. The KitchenAid 2-slot toaster is a great addition for anyone who loves a great and quick breakfast.